Sarihajan atowar kethom kachetong along coronavirus akeso aputhak chirok togomai kideng West Karbi Anglong Journalist Union of Assam abitung atum hamren DCSP aphan kachetong dam Coronavirus aputhak chirok tok amai dipu Government College Thanbang atum mai kangni
Non malom pirthea dang par omplup coronavirus akeso India long tanang kilut chokajok dak Assam angkang ta kedam tang ni phai krei chok arni pen school college university cinema hall lapen mayanta padopon long lesi dolo lason si difu government college along tame pini principal barnas rong parpen mai paponsi non ke bang ji DGCR lo along coronavirus ke palong de jiapan cherok chok amai ke padopon jiapan pini chingbai ponsi college arlo library gate thengno aloma richard samadim selam ponji lapen pachini alo anta selam ponji puta principal barnas rong parpen perangkia pan nang pachini dun lapuana railway station along tame coronavirus pen pajok ponji pan cherok tok pado ponsi kelang pado pon bom news desk report news fast Karbi Anglong
organize a meeting of the heads of the departments as well as office staff on the question of how to control and contain this COVID-19. So we have taken a few resolutions, and the most important thing that we have to resolve was that we will approach the health department to sanitize the college in the first instance. So we have pointed out certain places like library, many people come there. Then we have got one biometric punching chamber that has to be sanitized. Then both the entrances as well as the corridors, and wherever we suspect the virus to be there, so that we can be safe. So as soon as we feel safe, we will be going out into the field, campaigning and create awareness among the people how to go about and deal with this coronavirus. And for that, we have taken a resolution that we will publish some leaflets consisting of the do's and don'ts, and not to feel shame if one feels that he or she has symptoms of coronavirus. So with this, we are planning to go about. We have constituted a team of teachers who will be dealing with this issue. We will put out some flexes also in and around the college campus for creating public awareness.
The student will be corporate.
The state will be up. The students also will ask them. Right now they are not coming to the college because the classes are being suspended. So as soon as they come, we will be letting them out also. We will let them know. But right now we will try to have this campaign and create awareness.
Piniada porpai crazy apor malom sarihajan towar kethom kachetok along coronavirus akeso pen kachepajok konthek jiaphan Eastern Karbi Anglong College lo Thanbang atum chirok tok asai kedo kedam nang jiaputhak radaphan kethan kaparipon sengjam kelong atum adu dodu nangne eri sabon pen char sampa menangji enukan emek eri pen cheot edet nangji puhei hui pen chenglok Hem kachepang thir et nangji akinang sot puhei hui than pachini pon munit do o anglum dodu nangne munit pen handcheck chepi nangne munit atum pen lam kachingki chepa helo du nangji hithi along abana peri nam du nangne an han akeso si chonangji lapen lang keso si junangji puta than pachini pon laso tengjong si chingrai thek ulote keso pen chepa jokon thek jipu pen chenglok penang an alam the jaisi mai mesen pen pichun pon
West Karbi Anglong Journalist Union of Assam Maipu Kongchun Bang Bidisar Lapen Bangso GUA Committee along Klem Bang Phu Kedo Anatumpen Piniham Rendisi Lapen SP Ramandip Koraphan Chetong Damsi Alang Litum Aphan Karbi Poho Pen Karchu Dampen Anparta Perangke ke Klem Kedama Puthak Jethan Pon Bangso long SP hin pen kaning je pon tuajat asai le deng pon pen pacetak ponji pusitame pherangkia tumleave pulote cetak te deji lasi kaike pusitame pherangkia tumpen kacherap kachetoke kenang sot pusi hamren SP ahin pen than pajermi pon wathat langso pen rajen ronghang news fast Karbi Anglong
Nonaport birthe Anglong coronavirus akiso kachetang klubajok West Karbi Anglong hamren deputy commissioner asai hematheng no along kilut aprang handwash mate kachar sampon pami pensi asai hemalong lodam longji lason si along kaprek asai hemalong ta lapuson chisik mate kapachere mekhan kenang sot lopusi cherok tokatum pen ningjerenti lapen deputy commissioner aphan pusitame lapuson asai kapin khat pon aputhak kachoro pajir pon wothat langso pen rajan longhang news fast Karbi Anglong
Pinia birta lang si pajutiglo domitag me kardom